BURU stock analysis and BURU stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Nuburu stock, it's sitting at 28 cents, 44% up. Where the heck are we heading next? 44% up, it's Friday's performance. Last week report, 20%. I mean, yes, I'm seeing some greens here, but the harsh truth and the reality is that higher time frame doesn't look so bullish. I mean, I don't even have, like, I don't want to sound ill or just like I have ill feelings towards BURU. That's just the reality. I've done 36,000 videos, and from my personal experience, you can see previously I was buried there. This price action, unless I start seeing breaks above 49 cents or 50 cents with a full candle close, then it's still a bearish market. So all I'm trying to say is that it's not going to be an immediate sell, but it is going to be a sell if there is a pull up and a break beneath that pull up. So stay tuned, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. So goodbye and enjoy.